Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a scrambled eggs step by step. This is the easiest and tastiest egg dish ever, so you can make better than me. So let's make a perfect one. First add 3 eggs into a bowl, then add salt and pepper. If you prefer milk, then you can add here. So I am also adding milk. If you don't like it, it is okay because eggs and butter are enough to make scrambled eggs. Now well beat eggs until mixed with ingredients and made it thicker. So there is an important tip you should follow here. The secret ingredient of a perfect scrambled eggs is beat the eggs before cooking. Whisk the egg briefly before adding them into a pan so that they come into the pan just right. Okay, now we are going to melt the butter. Keep low heat and let time to melt the butter. It's good if you are using non-stick flat pan. You can use like coconut oil instead of butter. Keeping low heat so important. Right now turn off the stove for a while and pour the flavor. Don't try to cook it quickly, otherwise the recipe will be finished. So make sure don't use high heat, then egg will be fried quickly. And don't stir flavor and don't hover. Be patient, let the time go. Now turn on stove and keep low heat. After a few seconds you can notice that edges are getting cooked and they are turning to white color. When you notice this appearance, then press cooked edges into center, then uncooked fluid goes to corner and they get cooked. So this is the process. So do it continuously when its appearance be like threads and waves. When no more fluid is left, then whole egg is cooked. Now return pan from stove and keep rest. If it's look like jelly, soft and creamy, then perfect, you have done a great job. That's the exact recipe we want. So you have made tasty scrambled eggs. Well done. Hope you guys enjoy my video. If you are interested in this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can watch this kind of video future as well. So you can go to my website, you can learn anything from A to Z. It is free. So I will